This is the journey to Muktinath, one of the highest temples in the world, with a rich history that dates back centuries. Set at 3,800 meters in Nepal's Mustang Valley, Muktinath Temple embodies a unique blend of natural wonder and cultural reverence. Known as the place of liberation to Hindus and 100 waters to Buddhists, Muktinath brings together travelers, pilgrims, and seekers of all beliefs. Framed by ranked Himalayan peaks, Muktinath is more than a temple. It's an experience. Whether you are drawn by faith, culture, or sheer curiosity, Muktinath promises a journey of awe, unity, and timeless reflection.